Amazing and a really happy moment for me to represent Goa and win a gold medal for Goa. So I'm very excited and really grateful and happy at the same time.
How tough was the journey till the top? I mean, how many games you played and
I played 5 matches to get to win a medal. So and all of them were okay. I mean, I feel like I played really well throughout the whole tournament. So I'm happy. I think it's a message for parents more than kids because kids are always willing to play. But I would like parents to even motivate their kids to play even more and play seriously for the state, for the country. It's all possible if you keep pushing for it. I mean, definitely. Right now, we have 4 squash courts, and I would be very happy if we could get a gym alongside with a fitness trainer. We have this ground already right next to the squash court, and we can build a holistic facility where one not only plays squash but actually trains to be a professional, which includes fitness outside of the squash courts and all the facilities like that.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
But you just have to keep children out of the money part and let them work hard and remaining mostly falls in place actually.
How much efforts do your children put in the game daily on a daily basis? How much?
Oh my God, when they were growing up, they were as school going children, they were spending 6 hours on coach every day. Coach or training. That's something in summer vacation, 3 months, there is no going to your place, your mother's place or father's place. 3 months on the court.
No
Then
vacations.
1 day off, and that life we've lived for 10 years. I realized when we had taken my son to Leh and I said, you are not doing this. He said, when have I done this? Whole life you are doing squash only. So that effort is required, that focus is required. The results are good and the money is well spent. You might not have any money in your pocket, but whatever money you spend is a well spent money.
Thank you. Pursue sports.
That's right.
A lot of people sometimes hold their children back. What is your message to them?
Honestly speaking, it is like that the last scene of Titanic. You have to jump without knowing where you are going to fall, and you are going to win. And that leap of faith you have to take. And even if you are not successful, don't reach anywhere, you will always come out winner. You will always have something good out of it. Because when we started without knowing where it's going to take us. Like as I said, people say, why not tennis? There's more than tennis. I said, it's not that how it works. But as we started squash, we came to know that there are colleges who give you scholarships. And the game is good, it's an energetic game. So that matching needs to happen. And like a growing parent, you will let your children do 100 things to know what he's good at. And let him do that good. And support him wholeheartedly. So I feel very proud, certainly, and it looks like the effort for last almost 15 years has come to a good conclusion. I won't say conclusion a wrong word to use because it's just a beginning, a new beginning. What is the most important is first ever tournament in Goa, and Goa has won gold. So that's the most proud thing for all of us because there's so much of support. It's like a payback, in first installment of payback.
Also into sports, or how did your children get into sports?
Like I was in the Navy, so luckily we have a club. I used to play the game, but not at competitive level, just to remain fit. And like typical growing children, both the children who are doing so many things, playing basketball, abacus, cycling and all that. So one day we said, why don't you go and play squash as well? And luckily it clicked. So it's like a destiny that the sports have to choose you rather than you choosing. Because a lot of people said, why squash? Why not tennis? Because there's a lot of money in tennis. But it's something like that, the game has to choose you to progress, and that's what happened. The most important part of Rahman was their coach Rahman was there at the institute, and he was very passionate. He's the one who built the foundation, and then the story continued. Our role was only to support the best here and best support we can give, and just tell them that you continue, you don't worry about anything else. And fortunately, we've been successful so far.
Both the children are into squash now.
Both yes, but son has reduced playing. You got typical growing son. Once you come in 9th standard, the pressure comes on that you have to take science and you have to continue studying and all that. And that's what we reduced. Otherwise, he was also doing very well. He was remaining in top 5 in his country at one time in one category. But then over a period, he reduced squash. because he had to focus on studies. And it took me a long time to realize that in 10 years of school, he just gone to school for 5 years. Remaining 5 years he spent outside Goa for tournaments.
Tell us something more about yourself in the first place.
My name is Dr. Rahul Paris. I graduated from St. John's that have given us the opportunity. Special thanks to Goa government for building these wonderful courses and really pushing the sport forward for people who are currently playing as well as people who will play in the future. So definitely going to allow a large amount of people to access and play the sport. So it's been a massive push for us.
मैं तो यही बोलना चाहूँगा कि आज का जो खुशी महसूस कर रहे हैं वो आज बता नहीं सकते, क्योंकि इतना सालों से हम मेहनत किए हैं वो आज दिख रहा है। और हमने बताया था कि गोल्ड लाएंगे, वो हमारा मेहनत आज दिखा। और बच्चे लोग भी काफ़ी मेहनत किया है इस गोल्ड के लिए, और काफ़ी दिनों से हमारे साथ जो टीम है, जो कोचेस के भी और भी हेल्प किए काफ़ी लोग, वो लोग भी। और जो बच्ची आज गोल्ड लाई है वो काफ़ी सालों से मेहनत करी, ये आज दिखा हमको। और नेक्स्ट हमको ये चाहिए कि हम मेहनत कर रहे हैं कि नेक्स्ट ओलंपिक, थैंक गॉड, और ओलंपिक में आ गया गेम, और उसके लिए हम मेहनत करेंगे। और थैंक्स टू अवी सर, हमारे बम्बई से आए हैं, वो लोग भी वो काफ़ी हेल्प किया हम लोग को। वो हमारे सीनियर है, वो भी हम लोग को काफ़ी हेल्प किया। और थैंक्स टू एसोसिएशन जो हम लोग को काफ़ी हेल्प सपोर्ट किया इसके लिए, और उन्होंने पूरा किट वीट जो भी दिया है, बहुत हम लोग काफ़ी खुश हैं उसके लिए। और थैंक्स टू गवर्नमेंट कि हमारे लिए ये अच्छे मतलब इतना अच्छा फैसिलिटी दिया आज कि वो हम मेहनत करके दिखाए, तब उन लोगों को दिखाए कि ये स्कॉश एक ज़माने में स्कॉश कोई जानता ही नहीं था गोवा के अंदर, जो वो आज मैंने दिखाया कि हाँ भाई ये स्कॉश है, तो गवर्नमेंट भी समझ गए। तो हम लोग को थैंक्स टू गवर्नमेंट कि हमको 4 कोर्ट ये दे दिए, इतना अच्छा फैसिलिटी दिया है। तो और जो बताया था वो बोर्ड हमने गवर्नमेंट को दे दिया।
सर, एज अ कोच, नेशनल गेम्स गोवा में हो रहा है, और नेशनल गेम्स गोवा में होने के बाद गोवा का टीम मेडल लेना, एज अ कोच आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
वो जाहिर कैसे करेंगे हम तो हम तो बहुत खुश हैं।
Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.